morning, students. Myself, Dr. Sunita Sakure. Today, we are going to discuss about very important issue. Now, everyone has in his or her mind, that is, what should be done after class 10th. During this lockdown period, everyone has been stuck in 10th and 12th standard, just in the exams. Now we are going to see what are the different things which are available, or what are the different careers which you can do after the 10th or 12th science. Now this career choice, it depends on most of the times what parents are saying, what friends are saying, what relatives are saying, what teachers, and even from media, the students, they get influenced. But according to me, the right choice of career should be based on abilities, interests, aptitudes, and personality. So your personality is also an integral factor which should be taken into consideration. So here I have shown some pictures where there are different fields. Here I have shown one is of beautician, one is of doctor, and one is of the one field is the IT field. So like that, it depends totally on your personality and in which field you are interested. So after 10th science also, there are different diplomas which are certificate courses which are available. So there are number of the sites, websites. You can go there and you can see the different diplomas. Some are diplomas are run by government, while some are run by the private institutes. Now there are some certificate diploma courses which are different, that most of the students, they are not aware of this, like dental hygiene, dialysis technician, x-ray technician, medical laboratory technician. So the short courses are there also after 12th 10th standard, so that these students, they can help to the doctors. Now after 12th standard, or after performing given the 10th standard, which branch you should go, either to the commerce, arts, science, management, or law. So that totally depends on your interest. So these are the number of options available. Now there are number of the career after science. So if you have taken biology, you can go for MBBS. You will require to clear NEET exam. You should have the best rank in NEET. Then you can go for BMS, BHMS, BDS, also for physiotherapy, veterinary science. If you have taken maths, you can do the architect, you can do engineering. Also you can go for BSc and integrated MSc. After that you can do research, and nowadays there are very good opportunities for a good researcher. Now after commerce, there are again number of the opportunities. You can do BCom, BBA, BBM, BBA, LLB, CA program also you can do, ICWA, company secretary program. You can also go for the LIC agents. Now career after 12th, arts. After 12th arts, there are also in arts, there are number of branches available nowadays. You can go for fine arts, you can go for BA in humanities, BA in design. So there are number of, these are the number of the courses available at arts faculty. If you have some creativity, so these creative children, they can go for the mass communication field, like TV, radio, advertisement, media. You can do fashion designing, interior designing. If you are good in performing arts, you can be good musician, dancer, or singer. So all these fields are there. Now one more field is emerging nowadays, and that is for the sports. So nowadays, in case of sports, you can be coach for different sports depending on the sports of your interest. Assistant coach, athletic director, physical education director. So there are number of different sports. So depending on that, different opportunities are there. Nowadays, health and fitness is the most emerging field. So you can be athletic trainer, physical therapist, medical assistant, sports medicine you can also do. So these are the number of the options available, and if you go to different websites you will be able to see all these options. So at the end I would like to conclude that the choice of career should be done by you, and the important thing is the how you are deciding your career, and that should be basically based on your interest and abilities and also your personality. So with these things, if you choose your career, you will be having best career. So students, all the best.